Good morning, dear students. This is your paper explanation video for English grammar for Unit Test 1. Before writing this paper, make sure that you have written the subject, standard, date, and most importantly, your name and roll number. Now, for this test, make sure that you write with pen, give proper numbering. Question 1, and you just have to write the correct option. Make sure that while you are answering that there is no mistake in punctuation, capitalized words, spellings and wherever there is the word. Like even if there is one mistake, I will not give you mark. So take a deep breath, read the questions carefully and then only write the answer. Do not make mistakes in hurry because even one mistake, I won't be giving you mark. I won't be giving you half mark as well. Let's see the first question. Choose the correct noun from the brackets to complete these sentences. It is for 10 marks. Each word carries 1 mark. First one. I ate 4 cupcakes or cupcake. Write the correct answer. Again, I am saying don't make mistakes in capital letters, small letters, spellings, punctuations. I won't give you marks for that. Second, Tom drank some coffees. Third, it usually rains here in August with A small, August with A capital. Fourth, I saw a flock or pride of birds flying north. Fifth, we put our luggages on the trolley. Sixth, this winter with W small or W capital is going to be a cold one. Seventh, this is a picture of the Himalayas with H capital, Himalayas with H small. We don't have much times. We must hurry up. 9. The man comes to collect the garbages at 7 a.m. 10th, we can get a lot of informations from the internet. Write question 1 first and the correct answer with proper spellings. Question 2. Fill in the blanks with abstract nouns made from the words in brackets. For the given word, you have to make the abstract noun and complete the sentence. Again, just write the answer for the blank. First word, blank is the best policy. You have to make the abstract noun for honest. Make sure that the words, whether it should be capital or small, all those things are taken care. Second, the well was 50 meters in blank. The noun is, the word is deep and you have to make the abstract noun for that. Third, the key to blank is being content. Make the abstract noun for the word happy. Question 3. Choose the right pronouns to complete these sentences for 12 marks. Here you are given 12 blanks. First one, blank do you live? Where, whom, who? Write the correct one. Question 3, 1 and the answer. Question 2. Rubina bought a new bag for blank. A. herself, B. itself, C. themselves. Third, Nishchal blank was not sure of the answer. A. itself, B. yourself, C. himself. Fourth, I have printed the photographs blank I took yesterday. A. which, B. who, C. where. Fifth, the actor blank acts as Sherlock Holmes is very famous. A. which, B. who, C. that. Sixth, mother asked me if I want juice. I told her I will have blank. A. every, B. much, C. some. Seventh, blank is your friend's name. A. who, B. what, C. why. Eighth, the students blank went to the principal to complain. A. themselves, B. Themselves. C. Yourself. 9th. Blank are the chapters we must study for the test. A. This. B. That. C. These. 10th. I can't find my umbrella. I don't remember lending it to blank. A. Anybody. B. Everybody. C. Somebody. And 11 is for 2 marks because it has 2 blanks. Blank is my new cycle. Blank is a mountain bike. A. This option, comma, it. B. These, he. C. This, she. So I'm sure you will find this paper very easy, but don't get overconfident and write your paper neatly and calmly. You have enough time, so don't be in a hurry. That's it. All the best. Check out you can